Parason, dedication isn't just a word, it's a way of life. Meet our dedicated team of professionals, each playing a vital role behind the scenes. Every task is executed with precision to meet high standards. From meticulous inspections to collaborative problem-solving, quality is at the heart of everything we do. Together, we foster a culture of teamwork and support, where everyone's contribution matters. Our dedication extends beyond these walls. We're committed to exceeding our customers' expectations. At Parason, every day is a testament to our commitment to excellence.
Join us as we continue to innovate and lead in the pulp and paper industry.